Chris here from Precious Plastic, part of the Greenacre Sustainability Hub, and I'd like to show you today what we're doing in UCD to make food waste and plastic waste sustainable for all. So let me introduce you to UCD's Precious Plastic Bus. We had the idea of why get a workshop when you actually can repurpose a double-decker bus that's been used at its end of life, and otherwise we go to a scrapyard full of steel where it shouldn't be scrapped. We're going to redesign it, make it workable, and we're going to have machinery go into it where the bottle caps that the nation of Ireland are collecting, we're going to repurpose them into products that everybody wants that are fun and functional. Welcome to the Greenacre Mushroom Farm, our very own food waste reduction facility, where we will be taking waste coffee grounds and repurposing them into compost, and mushrooms, we'll be able to grow them from spore to full entity of mushroom and then eating them in our food. We are going to be taking them from coffee shops on campus and off campus. The hope is that it will be going to the UCD campus facilities. You can put them onto a pizza, you can make them mushroom soup.
So we're here in what will be the community garden. We plan to have 4 raised beds here, which will have vegetables and fruit, which will be grown seasonally. In the future, students will be able to volunteer and then be able to take some of the vegetables home and eat themselves. So this section here, we're going to keep as a biodiversity area. Alongside our community garden, we wanted to keep some of the wild plants growing over here. We have the wall in the back over here as well, which is hosting a lot of cavity nesting bees at the moment, which are really important because they're the ones that are native to Ireland. We're also going to be including some insect hotels. We're hoping students will be able to come see the insect hotels and maybe recreate them themselves in their homes.
Okay. So this was 3D printed in our makerspace by 100% locally recycled filament made in yellow. We also have some clocks, and you'll never know that they were made from 60 bottle caps that are donated by the public. They'll be made in our special plastic bus. And last but not least, it's a 3D filament maker. But this was once a plastic bottle that is turned into a filament maker, which means you can start 3D printing from a plastic bottle. You can make chairs, you can make whatever you want. Just start thinking creatively.
So if you want to get involved or follow us along on our journey, you can follow us at UCD_Greenacre on Instagram. Or if you have any questions, you can also email us at greenacre@ucd.ie.
And if you want to know more about the Precious Plastic side, which is part of this whole initiative and schema of zero waste, you can go to Precious Plastic Dublin on our socials and on our website too, and follow along on the journey and get involved. Everyone's involved. Woo! Peace.